Hey beauties, welcome to my very first YouTube video. Be sure to follow me on all social media platforms in which is listed below. I did her eyebrows off camera and I'll be posting a separate tutorial for brows. I applied my base using concealer and now I'm setting my base using the color Tune from my James Charles and Morphe palette. Applying it in the inner corner using a flat brush. Next, I'm going to apply the color 10% on the middle region and on the outer region using a flat brush. And then I'm going to go back in with the color Tune and apply it on the middle to allow for a gradient transition between the two colors. Next, I'm going to use a round shaped brush and I'm applying the color code James as a transition shade along the top of both colors. And once you're done with that, this is what it will look like. Super cute. It's coming along. It's a process, girl. Now I'm going to apply a shimmer by MAC in the color Vanilla on the inner corner. And I'm just kind of smearing this along the inner region of her eyeshadow. Next, I'm applying my KQD Cosmetic Fine Glitter along the crease, in which the link is below if you'd like to purchase that. And I'm also using KQD 25mm lashes, in which I applied those off camera. And what I'm currently doing is I'm applying primer to her face. I'm using E.L.F. Poreless Primer. And I'm just gently applying this in circular motions. And then I'm going back in with my LA Girl Orange Color Correcting Concealer to get rid of any discoloration and to allow for her skin to be a little bit more even. I'm going to contour her face with LA Girl Concealer in the color Chestnut for the highlight. Just kind of applying this to underneath her eyes, along her nose, underneath her chin, and on her forehead, and underneath her cheekbones. And then I'm going to be using a beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I'm just gently patting it into her face in little dabbing motions. This will allow for the concealer to be blended out evenly. Next, what I will be doing is I'm going to be using my black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going to use that to contour her face. The color that I'm using is the contour shade, and it just says that on the palette. And now it's time to bake. Who doesn't love a set face? Isn't she gorgeous? Ugh, yes. Now we're going to apply the highlight color, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. So pretty. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Obviously, my girl is feeling herself. She likes her makeup. I'd be feeling myself too if I was wearing that look. It's so cute. Very period, poo, period. Very subtle, but still a statement maker. Yes. My girl is looking super cute. She is so ready to go out tonight. This look is one of my favorites, and I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and follow me on all social media platforms. Tune in for more. I will be seeing you next time. And yes, yes, girl. Go ahead and dance with your bad self. I love it. Oh my goodness. Too cute. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Thank you so much for following and watching. Yes.